In a certain land, where people's destinies controlled by legendary chaser, developed one of its abilities to see through the past, future, and hold the destiny of humanity. The leader of the Red Fire Gang is the person chosen to hold the star. Cherry Blossom Black is always craving power in order to protect the peace of the nation. The Red Fire Gang has shed blood many times. Constant raping wears the way down. The massacre of the entire family occurred on the day the lady gave birth to twins. To avoid being captured, Devil was divided into two pieces, hidden in the cloth along with two children, and handed over to a servant to escape. The rest of the Black Cherry Blossom Gang left many people in the Red Fire Gang dead. The leader of the Red Fire Gang also died under the enemy's sword. The first servant ran away, but he was disturbed and killed. The first twin and half of the pillar were taken by the Black Cherry Blossom Gang. The second servant ran day and night, but he was also surrounded by the enemy at the riverbank. He let the baby float down the river, regardless of its fate. And the secret that holds the stone's power is suffering, blood, and truth.
Master, it's time. I will take the blade piece of the town.
This town is so big, where should I start looking? I am a person from another place. Please let me ask. Have you ever heard of the Red Fire Gang?
Red Fire Gang? That is... Please don't kill me.
I hope that when you grow up, You will always be strong with a heart full of love. The martial arts that I have taught you, you should use it to protect the weak, no matter what you encounter.
Hey girl, come here.
Who are you?
Stop for me. I will defeat you.
Who are you to dare stand in my way?
Hey girl, I love you just like that. Dance.
Who is that? Why only have a pearl like mine?
Who is she? Bringing your happiness. All heard by game has bring me joy. To admit that the person is still alive.
Isn't the other part of the prayer? Leave him look. Isn't the other part of the prayer?
The plan was successful.
One of the bad people go to die. Guys want to hear good news from you.
I have found the whereabouts of the remaining half of the pearl.
The day had finally come. This is your legend. I don't care. By any way. Bring that back to me.
I think it is not just all Carnisius. It's here, catching.
It's actually glowing. Why?
My master says the energy comes from Sabri. Loch. In short,
Impossible.
the remaining half of my pearl is also glowing. I think it is not just all Carnisius.
Give me the stone now.
Stop. Ever when I die, I will never let you have the power.
Look around. Your office me must die. Don't talk too much. It's all mine.
Father, Mother, hey, catching. My parent and my master were all killed by them. Unbelievable.
No, the person I want to kill in my dream sister.
I will avenge them.
Enemy.
Give me back my parent.
Try to. How big the earth. Let me have you. See your parent again.